Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Arcus Studio by Vandana. What started as a hobby has now become my way of expressing creativity. I still remember my first hook, a simple thin steel one my mom gave me. That's where my crochet journey truly began. Since then, I have worked with so many types of hooks, each one unique in its own way. So, in today's video, I will take you through different types of crochet hooks and how to choose the right one for your project. Steel hooks. They are strong, slick, and with very fine tips, so are generally used for the most delicate projects like jewelry, doilies, etc. with thread or less weight yarn. The sizes run from 0.6 mm to 2 mm. Thin hooks always are made up of stainless steel. Aluminium hooks. They are most common and are much lighter than steel hooks. They are smooth and fast to work with and available in all sizes from 2 mm onwards. Can be used for all types of yarns to crochet beanies, sweaters, blankets, flowers, etc. Great for beginners. Bamboo or wooden hooks. Eco-friendly, warm to touch and little slower than aluminium hooks. They get smoother and therefore faster with time. Gentle on hands, good for people with joint pain. Best for cotton or natural yarns and are available from sizes 2 mm and onwards. Two-sided hook, double-ended hook or crow hook. As name suggests, same handle has two different sizes on each end. Used for reversible or Tunisian projects with two yarn colors. Perfect for travel, lightweight, compact and convenient. Made up of aluminium and available in many combo sizes. As you see, plastic hooks are often colorful, lightweight, inexpensive, readily available and work with most yarns. These hooks are easy to carry while traveling. Jumbo hooks are mostly made up of plastic, commonly used for projects like Afghan, rug making, etc. Some aluminum hooks are with plastic grip. Ergonomic hooks means hooks with good comfortable grips or handles. Grip can be round, flat, made up of plastic, soft rubber or silicone. Available in almost all sizes. If you crochet for long period of time, grips can help reduce hand pain. Tunisian hooks are also called as Afghan hooks, which are long hooks like knitting needles with a stopper at the end and are made up of aluminium. Used for Tunisian crochet, which is a mix of crochet and knitting. Available in all sizes. Crochet hooks primarily differ in three different ways: size, material and head shape, that is inline and tapered, as you see clearly in this picture. There are still variety of hooks available in the market like extendable hooks, lighted hooks with LED light at the tip, etc. from different brands such as Tulip, Clover, Pony, Knit Pro, Titani, etc. I used to think one hook fits all projects, but over the period of time I realized how much effort and precision depend on the right size hook. So before we finish, super quick 10 tips to choose the right hook specially for you. Number 1. Every hook has a number or letter on it. That's the size. Number 2. Hook size decides how big or small your stitches will be. Number 3. For thicker chunky yarn, use bigger number hook, 6 to 8 mm and above. For thinner fine yarn, use smaller number of hook, 0.6 mm to 2 mm. Number 5. If you crochet tightly, go one size up, and if too loose, go one size down. Start with medium size 3.5 to 4 mm. As a beginner, check the yarn level, check recommended hook size. Think about comfort. Select hook size with good grip. Match hook to yarn texture. Test before you begin. Try few chain stitches. Experiment with different hooks and yarn. These little things make a big difference when you crochet. So take a moment to find what feels best for you. If still you have any question, please feel free to ask me. That's it for today, friends. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my very first tutorial. Don't forget to follow me and share it with someone who would love to learn crochet. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. Happy crocheting.